Good morning, Lab Bio class. Hope you guys had a really good weekend. Just letting you guys know, there will gonna be there will be an opportunity to retake Friday's test. I have to re-upload it. I have to make sure that like the deadline passes before I re-upload it. So what you are going to do today is you are going to click on today's classwork. It's going to be a video, and it's going to be a document. I'm going to pop that in a little bit. So what you're going to do is we're going to click the video, and the video is me doing this. Okay, so this is your terrestrial biome project. Okay, and by the way, this should look familiar to you because you actually mostly started this in class. Okay, Vincent, you were like almost done, but we're gonna add a little bit after. Rayshon, you were pretty far along, and Darius, I know that you got a good chunk of it done. Richie, I know that you started it. So we're gonna do the same thing, but it's gonna be virtual. Okay, it's gonna be digital. We're gonna be able to view each other's, and I'll be able to view yours in real time. Okay, it's just like any other slides. Okay, so on mine, you don't have to do this. I have the rubric, meaning all the point system. It's a total of 125 points. So first you're going to tell me what your biome is. I have that in the first slide. The climate, the biodiversity, meaning how much life, like plant life or animal life, what to bring, what to wear, what to do. And then that's around where we stopped with the brochure, okay? Now what I want you to do is I want you to choose one of those biogeochemical processes, so the carbon cycle, the water cycle, or the nitrogen cycle, and you're going to explain how that works and how it relates to your biome, okay? The water cycle is the easiest, but you're welcome to do either of the other two. You're also going to explain why or how air pollution is affecting their biome. And then you're going to give 3 specific ways or resources to help pollution. Okay? Then what I want you to do is I want you guys to narrate it either on home video, but it's got to be clear, or I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I am using right now. All right, so if you look, here is my taiga, aka the boreal forest. We have lots of trees, right? That was a big thing. Okay, I'm going to show you how to import all the data that you put into the chart that you guys mostly finished. Okay, the plants, the animals, what to wear, what to bring, things to do. Here's my picture of the water cycle, and I explained how the water cycle is important to the taiga biome. And I explained how air pollution is a problem and why in that particular biome. And the things that I would do to help. And again, this is not 100% finished, but I want you guys to see how it all comes together. See how it's nice and neat, and I've checked all my spelling. Again, please do not worry about putting the rubric on the top. That's just for you guys to check out on mine. And I will attach the original PowerPoint so you guys can see it for tomorrow's work. Again, I included pictures. So now I have like a nice creative assignment, okay? So when you're done and you want to explain, what you're going to do is you're going to pop into this website, Screencast-O-Matic, okay? And what I do is I click into my little bookmark every time that I want to record, and it's really pretty easy. It's free. And you click the launch recorder, even if you already have uploaded it, just kind of links back to it. And you can either cast your whole screen, or you can cast your webcam, or you can cast the webcam and the screen. So when you guys see videos and I'm like at the right hand side here, I'm doing both. Today, I have no makeup, so you're not getting like fresh out of the shower, Miss Carosa. Okay, so after you're done with this video, I attached questions. You're gonna answer the questions. I believe that I already covered all this, but I will tell you that this is going to be a major assessment. This is also going to be your marking period 3 assessment, which means that you are not going to have a test, okay? This is your test, okay? You technically already just had a test, so this is perfect. We're done with our big stuff, okay? And the test, I think you guys feel like was pretty easy if you guys use the links. I will re-put up the CK12 links because if you notice, all these things, this was your biomes unit that we went through, okay? We talked about climate. We talked about like the cycles. I have the water cycle, I have the carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle. I have all those links just for you. We talked about air pollution, okay? So all those things are things that we talked about in the last 2 weeks of virtual learning, but it also ties into what we were learning before, okay? So you're gonna watch this video, you're gonna answer the questions, and that's all you have to do for Monday. Super easy. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.